Hey, how's it going, brother?
Yeah.
Don't beat me up, man. KKK, the cool color people. Shake your hand with your friends. I'm kidding.
Daniel.
Man, we've been on the road like toilet paper. You see your shoes right here? We got the best thing since hands from pocket. Who did that?
You did.
You don't like that, do you?
No, I don't.
My mom said if it's darker than me and it don't pay bills, it shouldn't be there, right?
No.
You heard of miracles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to see a pink one today. All right, see right here? This right here, this is a cleaner. All you do is you mix with water, not whiskey, okay? Now don't laugh too hard because they're going to see this chocolate kid scrubbing your shoe, okay? But they said this like Nicolas Cage because it's gone in 60 seconds, all right? So watch this right here. This takes the rubbing out of scrubbing and it leave more time for kissing and hugging and family loving. And this unisex too is made for a woman strong enough for a man like secret deodorant, okay? Look at that right there. Oh my goodness. Would you say that's whiter than a Colgate Smile?
Yes, sir.
I showed Stevie Wonder that yesterday. He said he ain't never seen that work. I'm impressed. I think I should buy me a bottle. What you think?
I don't know, man.
Well, it's a concentrate. It's gonna help you stay focused while you clean. See, it's in good hands like last day. That one bottle lasts longer than my last relationship. You know how to make Kool-Aid, right?
I do.
High five, you probably use it. And see, all you need is a couple dabs like the Migos. And then the good part about it, it cleans like 100 pairs of shoes. So I know that one bottle ain't gonna take the shoes out the macaroni, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Well, on Amazon, because you got internet?
Yeah.
We all over the web like a tarantula, so on Amazon we actually got it for like $39.95, but I can give you a deal today. This is the HBO special. That means we got it to help a brother out. You get the full package. Unlike Madonna, it's never been touched, so it comes sealed like Heidi Klum, and that's only $19.95. And then I'm gonna give you a brush with it just because you ain't make me clean both of your shoes, okay? But they've been working me like I'm black and telling me like I'm Mexican, okay? I'm really mixed though. Did you know I was mixed?
With what?
My mama black and my daddy black as hell. Yeah. So hey, you think one bottle, you think the one package gonna be enough for you? It's
Yeah,
only 20 bucks. I just sold a 15-year-old and he just bought it because he said his mom spent way more than 20 bucks on his shoes. But I'm pretty sure you spent more than 20 on that, right?
A little bit more, yeah.
Why count pennies when you save $1? Right. You talking me into it. So you think one package is enough for you?
Let's do one, yeah.
All right.
How much is it?
It's just 20 bucks.
20?
Yeah.
You have any cash? You sold me.
I like it. How far? I thought you was about to make me clean both of your shoes.
I'll give you another 5 if you clean the other one.
Well, I'm off on Sundays at the church. You can adopt me. Add a little color to the family too. My sleep's standing up like a horse. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for support.
Appreciate it.
All right, buddy.
That was good.